Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Cabinets, grease, gunk, built up stuff. One of my favorite things to use is, can you guess? Dawn dish soap and warm water. Today though, we are going to be tackling this bathtub. I'm gonna get you real close because it's nasty in those corners and I wanna take a bath today. One of my other favorite things to use when it comes to cleaning the bathtub is the Miracle Shower Cleaner, which is basically Dawn and vinegar. Today we're gonna be using something completely different. I actually like this better. If it's good enough to lather rich and creamy all over your face, well then it's good enough to clean your bathtub with. They don't recommend that you bathe in Dawn dish soap. Now, do they? Now, let me show you a little trick here when it comes to cleaning your bathtub. I have done this with a broom, but my friend, I do think the paintbrush can work better. Also, here's a little bonus tip here for you. If you have a lot of grout in your house, the paintbrush is awesome because it can get in those grout lines, whoops, really well. Okay, let's get in this bathtub right here together. Yes, let's get in these corners. So there we go. It's nasty. It's dirty, and I have bathed in that, and that's the honest truth, but no more. Mom is taking care of it here today. All right, I like this because it can get in all the nooks and crannies with the shaving cream, and the shaving cream spreads really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and lather up the majority of this bathtub, and then watch the transformation. Woo-wee, baby. Let me show you what I mean. It's hard to get down in here by the drain. The broom would not reach that very well, but the paintbrush does very nicely, especially if you have some old paintbrushes lying around. I have lathered up my beard, I mean my bathtub, real nicely. I know that was like a lame dad joke. Let me just show you something here really quick under my sink. This is where I would keep the Miracle Shower Cleaner, but again, I prefer the shaving cream to anything else when it comes to cleaning the bathtub. I will let this sit for about 15 minutes and you will see that I will not have to scrub anything. This is also amazing if you have a lot of yellowing in your bathtub. Now, depending upon how dirty your bathtub is, how much buildup you have around it, I would let the shaving cream sit for as long as possible to work its magic. And because there's a nice long handle on this brush, I barely had to bend over. Okay, here's the best part. I'm just gonna grab a cup and some hot water. All rinsed up before we take a peek. Another nice thing with the shaving foam is that it really sticks and clings to the side. Let's get down in that corner. And I did not scrub anything in here. I did not scrub. I simply just took my brush. That looks like brand new, white and bright. All right, if you're looking for 10 additional amazing shaving foam hacks, click this video on screen. Now, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.